Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Keep unwanted pets out of your car. Number 1. Remove possible food sources. Don't leave behind foods of any kind. Mice and rodents are attracted to all sorts of food. Number 2. Block entry. Certain car models have air intakes that become signs, so block off these with wire mesh. Number 3. Use deterrents and repellents. Set the message clear that these rodents are not welcomed by using deterrents and repellents. Number 4. Keep your car dry. Aside from keeping your car clean, it also needs to be dry. Never let moisture build up inside your car. Number 5. Repel via odor. Some scents are a total turn off to them too. So, it might be good to have a go with these readily available scents. Best to go with a car freshener of your choice. Blade offers a wide variety of different scents and flavors. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.